Observe what? You're just staring at it. Come on, dude. What do you think?
He could be saying anything with this text, man.
Benedict!
What?
You always know what shit like this means. Come on, I bet you have an idea.
I have a theory. Okay, look. I think he's being really flirty, but in a way where he can claim deniability. But yo, look. All you gotta do is walk up to him at opening with 2 drinks in your hand, give him one of them, and then ask him about the text. Dude, I promise, all you need to do is make the first move.
Yeah, fuck, you're kind of right.
I like to think that I can figure people out.
Oh, so then you figured out by now that Marina's just waiting for you to make a move?
Yeah.
See?
Yo, look, okay. She's very attractive. But like it's Marina, dude. Like it's Marina, dude. Oh. It is time to pick up our little.
Oh, shit, already?
Yep. Let's get Stefan.
happened. It was literally his idea.
Look, Kevin's probably at home doing his dumbass Shakespeare reading, listening to his noise-canceling fucking headphones.
Hey, he just replied. What does that mean? It's all my fault? That's it?
Something isn't right about this. This isn't normal.
Maybe he just clogged a toilet or something.
It's Benedict.
We're not here. You're not here.
Hey, Benny. Wait, what?
He screamed at me and he shut himself in his room and he locked the door.
Hold on, Benedict. You were talking way too...
Something is off with him. You need to come over right now.
Holy shit.
He mentioned needing to talk to you alone, or...
Can you tell me what he said or what he meant?
He needed to speak to you alone, and only you would understand. And just get here as fast as you can, okay?
Whoa.
I think Kevin's... I'm gonna make sure that he's okay.
Well, we're coming with you.
No. Benedict said just me. Sorry.
Benedict said.
Kevin? Benedict? Anyone? Kevin? Hey? Benedict? From me.
You were too late.
Too late for what?
Kevin. He killed himself.
You monster.
Look, Marina, I'm sorry. There was nothing I could do. I tried.
You murdered Kevin.
Okay. There's no denying it. Relax. It's water. Marina, I really need you right now. You don't know what I've been through. Okay. Enough. Get back. Back!
What the fuck happened to you?
You need to get out your phone right now and call 911. You're reporting Kevin's suicide.
No.
Excuse me?
You used to be fucking human.
Get out your phone right now.
You're just gonna have to kill me.
I'm not gonna fucking kill you. But your secret meeting buddies who are just as predictable as you are getting pumped full of lead if they come up these stairs before you dial that number. Up to you.
Hello? I would like to report an incident. Suicide. It's to 1217 Madison Street. Yes. I found him. Kevin Collin. A student. Yeah, his roommate. Yeah, I'm really gonna hang up. Sorry, it's just, he's dead. I really don't want to stay on the line. So, yeah. I'll be here. Thank you. Suicide?
Okay.
What are you talking about?
Listen.
Benedict killed him.
Wait. What?
Marina just called EMS and reported the suicide.
What are you talking about?
He sent a text heavily implying a crisis. I promise you there is no evidence that anyone else was in there. DNA, blood spatter.
Say his name.
Kevin. Happy? He threatened to confess and throw every one of us under the bus.
What do you want from us?
I'm getting to that.
Fuck you!
The cops will be here any minute. Now I'm warning you. If you talk, you will only end up convicting yourselves.
And what if we do anyway?
Best case scenario, we all go down together. More likely, whoever talks will be the one.
And you just want us to believe you?
Yeah. Because, believe it or not, I actually still have a plan. And it's pretty simple. It was all Kevin's fault. Kevin was the one who supplied our little with the drugs. Kevin tried to cover it up. Kevin forced us to follow his lead. And Kevin kills himself because he can't handle the pressure.
You did every single one of those things, and then you killed him, and then you threatened to shoot everyone.
This is the last time any of you have to listen to me. Kevin's dead. He won't mind if we pin this on him. We are all suspects. But it is more than likely that whoever talks first is the one who's going down. That's how my parents ended up convicting each other. Now, all you have to do is shut the fuck up and ask for a lawyer, and I promise you'll be okay.
Fine.
I need to put this away. And don't hold back your tears.
I will be replacing Amy Wood on your evening broadcast from now on. It is with a heavy heart that I have to announce last night we lost another Orange University student. We here at Citrus Student News are especially upset as this student was one of our very own. Yesterday, junior OU student and very dear friend of mine, Kevin Cullen, took his own life. Please take note of the National Suicide Prevention Hotline at the bottom of your screen. And remember, you are not alone. Counseling will be made available at the Orange Student Health.
No way I am waiting for that asshole to come back here. If any of you want to split a hotel room with me, that would be cool. But honestly, I am counting down the minutes until I'm out of here.
Don't you think it's a little weird that they didn't release him with us? It's already past 8.
Nope.
I do. Benedict told us we're all in the same boat, but here we are home while he's still back at the station. Makes me want to go back there and tell them everything I know.
Don't.
Well, we could lawyer up.
I think the first thing we need to do is get the fuck out of here.
Then we hire some good-ass lawyers and beat the legal shit out of him.
For what?
Kevin!
But how? They have nothing on him, and plus we're all still the same amount complicit for Stefan.
What do you recommend we do, Marina?
We look for some proof.
Pretty sure they already did a fuck ton of that.
Yeah, I'm not stupid.
Well, it kinda seems like you are. This whole time, all you've been doing is downplaying how horrible he is, and now you don't even
I'm
want to.
sorry that I refuse to just turn myself in if Benedict is going to face the same amount of punishment as us without at least trying something first.
They checked the whole house, Marina. It's a waste of time.
We only have so much time before he comes back here.
There are places that they can't check.
I'm gonna call a hotel and lawyer up from there. If any of you want to split the bill, let me know.
I'm coming with you.
Fine, do that. But I'm telling you, I really think that...
Come on! I'm gonna fucking do this by myself.
Hey, thank you.
Jesus. Amy.
Holy shit. Please let me in. Quickly. Hey. Hey. He isn't here, right?
Not yet.
Okay. I have to show you guys something. Here. This is the report that Kevin turned in about me to Citrus Student
Hey,
News.
Amy, this better not be about your career,
No,
okay?
it's not. No, look. This is the suicide note they're saying Kevin wrote. They gave this to me this morning. But all this stuff, along with the notes that I've taken about this case, there's these inconsistencies. I still keep in contact with a lot of the people from Citrus Student News. They know a lot of the facts. If you guys are thinking about going public, you have media on your side.
How did you know it was Benedict?
I was here the other day when he killed Kevin. They were the only two home.
Is that not enough evidence?
It's iffy. If we have proof of Benedict's lifestyle, that can be really helpful for public interest. If you have any way we could find something like that.
What proof are you talking about?
The gun you used to shoot Kevin Callan. That proof.
Then I want a lawyer.
We know you purchased it.
You're a fucking liar. From where?
Why did you kill him? Did Stephen Lawrence have something to do with it? Because that's what we think.
Then I want a lawyer. Have you even technically charged me with anything? Submitted the papers? Or are you just gonna hold me for another 48 hours grasping at straws? I want to go home.
He's got a safe in his closet. Keeps his shit in there. Locked.
We could smash it.
Believe me, I've tried.
Put it on the bed.
I bet his fucking gun is in here too.
He still has a gun?
He has more than just one.
Oh. Thanks for the help, dicks.
How the fuck, Marina? How?
I saw him enter the code.
When?
The night you were in the
You guys-
hospital. This has my name on it. There's a lot more.
Wait. Whoa.
1. Ensure target is unconscious? What the fuck?
These look like instructions. That one, Kevin's file, what does it say?
Unmarked. Pistol number 2. Suicide. Holy shit. This is it. This is proof.
What the fuck?
This is fucking proof, right? Guys, I'm supposed to get buried 20 miles into the woods.
Okay. This is Benedict. Coke overdose. Of course.
Hey, wait. Why don't I have one?
Marina, your name is in my file. Put more peanuts in the vents just like last time with Marina. I fucking knew it.
Sydney, I'm sorry.
When did you say you got the code again?
I really don't think I can explain that
You
shit right now.
poisoned me. You don't let me vote. You fuck Benedict, and then you tell me to my face that I did it to myself? I knew you were full of shit.
Phones down!
Marina, pick them up. This was not a part of the plan we discussed. And she makes things pretty fucking complicated.
Oh my god!
Shut up! I told you! I told you what would happen! I'm not going to fucking jail!
Are you gonna drag her into the woods 20 miles away?
Yes, I am.
You prick!
Everyone, go to the living room.
I vote we don't do that.
Listen to me, Benedict. It's over. There's no way. Believe me.
I still have a plan.
No. No plan. It's done.
Go to the living room.
We're not scared of you. You're going to jail. Get that through your thick fucking head.
Weapon down and surrender.
Sorry.
are you? You still?
Yeah. Still here. Marina, I'm so sorry.
You shouldn't be.
Marina,
I let him hurt you. Really bad.
I think we're pretty much even now.
Guys, is Amy gonna be okay? Her pulse is really weak.
Are we gonna be okay?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Upstairs!